Welcome back, guys. Uncut Eats with B. Today we're gonna make a refreshing drink. Wake the body up in the early morning here, alright? So I got some pimino melon here. Never tried that before, but we're gonna see how that goes today. Or some mango, some sand pear, some ginger, and of course some lemon. We have a little bit of salsa water here, and of course some coconut palm sugar for a little bit of added sweetness. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is peel the skin off of my fruits. I like to peel the skin off because the farmers and stuff usually spray a lot of chemicals and stuff on the fruits, to kind of prevent the bugs from going on them and biting them up and stuff, right? So they can be presentable to be sold in the stores. So because of that, I like to I don't really enjoy the skins, you know what I mean? So I like to just peel them off. But again, that's optional. My preference. It's always good to have fruits in the early morning. Lots of good vitamins and minerals, putting the body early in the AM. So I'm just peeling off this flesh right off of this seed right here. Alright, see if that fi go and suck pan later. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same for the melon too. Let's go ahead and peel the skin off. I guess I'm gonna try out a piece of this on its own. Kind of fresh. Don't really have much taste to it. Alright, I'll go ahead now. Put some of my sand pear in there. Should always make sure that we drink at least a glass natural fruit juice once a week. Them things really help your body out with all the junk and stuff we'll be eating throughout the week. Yeah. Veggies, we can blend up veggies too. We'll do a couple of videos like that. Let me get the other part right here. Now guys, there's a lot of nutrients and stuff in the skin, but again, as I explained before, I don't like, I usually peel it off anyways. Alright guys, just put a piece of ginger in, and not too much, because ginger is pretty strong, but it's a really good root veggie. And of course, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice in here. Make sure you strain this, guys. You don't want to get the seed inside. The seeds them going to really leave a bitter taste. Been there already with that. You could use this, or if you have one of them little juicers, them the lime and lemon, you can use that. Alright, give me a chance and rinse my hand off real quick. Alright, so we're gonna go in for this here. I'm gonna say with about a tablespoon of the palm sugar. Alright, now this is not very sweet at all, so that's why I enjoy using this sugar, and it's a great alternative to the regular white sugar or regular brown sugar. But this one is a nice choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the salsa water in there. And guys, always make sure you wash your cans off before drinking from them, alright? Or using them, I'll pour a little bit of that in here. We add if we need more, alright? So let's go ahead and get ready. Blend this up. Cover it on. Cut it down. Alright, so I'm going to check the consistency of this. It's not bad at all, and that look good. Alright. Oh yeah. Nice and sweet. Oh man, that's good. Alright, so guys, you know, as usual, my style. Frozen wine glass, alright? I'm just gonna go ahead and pour directly in here. And like I said, guys, perfect way to wake up in the early morning. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. You know? And thanks for watching as usual. Enjoy.